Hi guys, today's video is actually gonna be short and sweet, but watch me talk for like 30 minutes. I don't know. But I wanted to let you guys know that I have some new releases in my Etsy shop and I'm really excited because you guys always sell me out on these things, especially when it comes to Christmas. I've already let Instagram know and I just thought it would only be fair for me to just pop in today and let you guys know as well. So we've got my Christmas junk journal kit, which is available. I'm gonna link it down below. This one is my favorite that I've ever done. Junk journaling has been my favorite hobby that I've ever done in my entire life. I don't know why I didn't start it sooner. It's so good. It's just so good. Anyways, I compiled over 75 pieces of the cutest things in here, and I really wanted like a fun, vibrant set of colors this time. So there's a lot of yellow in here, which I think also gives this like vintage nod to Christmas, because what was white then, right, has kind of like turned yellow, so it has that vintage thing. So I'm really loving yellow for Christmas time, and it's just packed with so many of like new items that I've curated for you guys. And yeah, I just hope you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna link this one down below. And this, I am so excited that I'm doing another round of blind date with a book. If you don't know, I did a fall version of this, and all of my books had a fall Halloween murder mystery vibe. If you don't know what a blind date with a book is, it's essentially where you order a book, but you don't know what book you're getting because it is wrapped. So here is my Christmas edition, and this time what I'm really excited about is that you will get to choose your wrapping. Now, it's not packed with goodies, so I will throw up a picture right here from my Halloween set just so they can kind of get an idea of what it looks like, but I don't pack these until they're ordered. So once your order comes in, I pack them upon ordering. So, but I wanted you guys to see, like, obviously what it would look like once it's packed, and I pack it with so many things. So for those of you that ordered my Halloween edition, thank you so much. Y'all sold me out on it. And so what I have available for Christmas is what I have available for Christmas. And so you can order the red set. So when you go to my link, you can order pink, red, or green. Red is gonna get you the vintage theme, which is so freaking adorable. And again, the book is wrapped, and then this will be packed with Christmas goodies. And pink, which is gonna get you the Grinch, which is so freaking darling. Like, this one's kind of my favorite. I love this one. And then what I think will probably be the biggest sellout is this one, which is Strawberry Shortcake herself having her good old little holly jolly time, okay? So yeah, it's just gonna be packed with goodies in here, and I just wanted to let you guys know that my Christmas blind date with a book is now available in my Etsy shop. So you can choose the wrapping. So I'm very excited for this. I'm also very intrigued to see like which one's gonna sell out the most, because they each have a certain amount tagged to it. And so far from Instagram already, you guys are ordering like it's, yeah. So just wanted you guys to know. And so far though, from what I've seen from those of you that have ordered from my Instagram link, it looks like still a variation. Let me just like look real quick and see. Strawberry Shortcake, I think, is leading the pack right now. And then I guess this is the second favorite and this is the third favorite. But anyways, I am so excited. And the books that I've chosen, and I've been curating like all of these items for you, all the stuff that's going in here. I have really selected what I think are the cutest items. I mean, this thing is gonna pop out, okay? Because it's gonna be filled with bookmarks and pens and, you know, book logs and hot cocoa, like all the things are gonna be in here, and it's gonna be so cute for you guys. And the books I'm so happy about because they all have a holiday Christmas theme, and I really think that you guys are going to love the books. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Or it's either gonna be a holiday mix haul or a Dollar Tree haul. So stick around and I'll see you there. And I will link these 2 items down below. And thank you already in advance if you order from me or if you have ordered from me in the past. It just makes me so incredibly happy to like put these items together. I absolutely love my Etsy shop. It really does just like make me so happy. So anytime you order from me, just know that like my eyes light up like you just don't even know. So, and I hope you love everything, and that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.